to manage and listen in screen time in using my computer.
Oo, naniningil na yung katawan mo.
So it is very dangerous.
Has its own benefits. I mean, some streamers like
Na like protecting
women's
children.
children.
especially their emotions.
So, hindi naman bad thing yung pagpaparito ko kasi para yun sa sarili mo and then
Kasi meron din naman mga mayayaman na napaka-humble din. Kaya
Hi, this is Tech Talk. We will talk about technology and dig deeper in the digital world.
Hello everyone and welcome to our podcast. At ngayon, may pag-uusapan na naman tayo. But before that, let me introduce to you ang ating mga ComSci student na makakasama natin for today. Hi everyone!
Hi!
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone, I am Diana Quiritortes and I'm looking forward for our topic today.
Hello everyone, I'm Mary J. Balagot. I had experience of online teaching in 5-1 Talk and I am also a ComSci student.
hi guys, I am Giselle May and I'm glad to be here.
Hello everyone, I am Danny Dave Ramirez. I am a graduating student.
Hello everyone, I am Richel Deles and very interested in terms of technology or the latest technology also.
hello everyone, I am Saint Joseph Libardos. I'm an entrepreneur and a future successful businessman someday.
Hi, I'm Realisa Vivias and I'm looking forward for this today.
Good day everyone, I'm Ali Dapitan and I'm just a student.
Hi everyone, I am Christy Valfanta, a freelance photographer and a computer technician.
Wow! And hello everyone! I'm Dana Catherine M. Bogbog, your host for today. So, ngayon, narinig ko may mga graduating students na mga ComSci, right?
Yes.
We are all graduating students.
Yes.
So, ano nga ba yung mga pag-uusapan natin today?
So today, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay it's all about tech addiction and mental health.
Very interesting.
Yes.
So, when you hear the word tech addiction, what comes first in your mind?
I think when we talk about tech addiction, it is about the compulsive behavior of an individual, which he or she is addicted to that gadget and yung tipong hindi na siya maiiwasan, parang palagi na niyang ginagamit, parang part na sa kanyang life.
Daily life routine.
Yes.
And I think for me, it's a abusive thing
Behavior.
to do in a gadgets, for example, in a gadgets, and you don't have time management, like you are rendering most of your time in using your gadgets, just like that.
Okay, so itong tech addiction na to, I believe na lahat tayo nakaka-encounter ng ganitong
Yes,
situation,
yes.
right? So, my question is, anong klaseng scenario ang na-experience nyo about sa tech addiction?
So actually for me, Miss Dana, I noticed myself like all the time I'm scrolling through my laptop or my phone, and then I constantly like scrolling and I didn't notice na it passed 12 na, and then I feel like I just woke up and just started scrolling my phone. So I was like, oh my gosh, I spent so much time and on my phone. So yeah, it really affects my my health and also my life as well.
Yes naman, kahit naman ako, maaga ako natutulog dati, but ngayon, umaabot na ng 1 a.m. dahil kakascroll ng cellphone.
I also
It's
experienced
really
that
addictive.
one during my high school days. I think that was the Dota era or the Counter-Strike
Yes.
era when we went back to our high school. That's I have a computer sa house namin, and I think I took almost like a weekend. So naglalaro ako weekend. So mga morning siguro, tsaka papuntang afternoon na is nagdodota lang ako, nagka-Counter-Strike. And even midnight siguro ay napapagalitan ako minsan, and that cost me a lot because sometimes may time kasi na ninanakawan ko yung oras yung pag-aaral kasi hindi na ako nag-aaral at nagdodota na lang ako, and that caused me to skip my class in the morning.
Diba?
So naapektuhan yung grades ko, and through that naniningil niyo yung lawas mo, di ba?
Yung body mo.
Yeah,
yes.
oo. And talked me to I talked to my parents na what should I do because I'm not doing well. So they said that I need to manage and listen in screen time in using my computer. So yeah.
Right. 'Di ba? Iba na yung panahon ngayon kasi every day makikita mo kahit saan, kahit nasa school ka, nasa bahay ka, nasa market ka, makikita mo may mga hawak talagang phone. At hindi natin maiiwasan because the phone is so important every day. Ginagamit natin for conversation sa mga malayo nating mga kamag-anak.
Yeah.
Yes, at even transaction. So, what do you think ang cost nito in our, 'di ba, you have mentioned earlier na nagiging cost na siya, nagkakasakit ka na
Naniningil
dahil
na, oh.
naniningil na yung katawan mo. So, what else does it cost? Especially, let's focus on mental health, right? Because this is our topic for today. So, ano yung connection nito sa mental health issue natin?
So for me, no, based on my experience, no, toward my cousin, she's just a 4 years old, and her parents spoiled him at using a phone. No, early in the morning, the parents gave the phone. So for me, it is good because it is educational purposes, like watching like Cocomelon, like that. But when we connect to a mental health, it is very crucial. Why? Because at the age of 4 years old, it is very risky because it can really penetrate the radiations of the phone. No? So it is very very dangerous.
Actually, tech addiction has its own benefits. I mean, some streamers like the popular one. Have you heard Sniper Wolf?
Yes.
What game?
What game's that?
I don't know, but she is a online streamer. She stream every day, and she plays a lot of video games and stream it online. So I think that tech addiction is a broad topic.
Yeah.
When we talk about tech addiction, it is something like you are using that certain kind of, for example, let's say a game without its purpose or without its limitation. It is okay to use a gadget as long as it is under moderation.
Yeah, exactly, Chris.
Yeah, I believe. But for us na naman, as a student na naman, kasi we are talking about tech addiction sa mga bata or sa kahit sino mga individuals na nakasurround sa atin. How about we as a student? At saka maraming mga nanonood ngayon na mga students rin. What are the effects of tech addiction to all of us as a student?
First of all, lack of sleep.
Yes, that's true.
Yes. That's the
That's the
first,
reality po.
Yes. That's the main issue. Number 2 is our eyesight. Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, I have this back in my high school days. I used to watch movies or play video games at my mobile phone. Because of that, my eyesight is getting worse. So ginawa ng parents ko is nagpatingin kami sa specialista. At ang sabi niya is bawasan
Yung screen
namin yung bawasan ko yung screen time or pagpanood ng mga movies sa aking mobile devices.
Yeah. You know what? I can relate. As you can see naman, di ba? I have eyeglasses na. So, I have these eyeglasses since I was grade 11, I think. Doon na nag-start. I think grade 10, nag-blur na yung paningin ko. It's because of too much using the gadgets. So, nung grade 11, nandun na yung hindi ko na talaga makikita yung malayo, and I can see na talaga na hindi na 2020 yung vision ko. That's why bumili na ako ng eyeglasses.
Have you experienced na yung sumasakit talaga yung ulo mo? Parang,
Yes.
parang
Parang migraine, ganon.
Oh, yes.
Kasi parang nawawalan ng na-dehydrate yung utak natin. It's because of the radiation.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Talking to tech addiction naman sa students, like sinabi mo kanina, yung tinanong mo is, we as students is nagre-rely na kasi tayo sa technology, like we're using
That's
AI,
true.
di ba?
Oo, yun.
The good part naman siguro,
ChatGPT.
yeah, the good part naman siguro is natutulungan tayo efficiently and nasisave natin yung oras. But yun nga nakaka-addict nga siya nagre-rely na tayo doon. Which is the worst part doon is we are not capable of doing something na kaya naman talaga natin. Which is
diba?
nire-rely na lang natin sa AI. Ganun, di ba?
Iba yung panahon noon at saka
Saka
ngayon.
ngayon.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang noon, ang tatalino nila. Kasi
Yes.
they don't rely on ChatGPT.
They rely on pure talent
Yes.
at saka skills nila.
They do
knowledge.
research, 'di ba? They do research on their own. Tayo nagre-research tayo, but we rely on what they are answering.
Parang
Actually,
yun yung standard natin.
I have this question. Which would you think is more intelligent, the older people or the new generation people?
The older people.
I think the older one.
Yeah,
Bakit?
kasi yung panahon na yung mga tao bibase sila sa pag-research through sa books, reading a book
Sa sarili nila.
Yes. Unlike ngayon sa
Na-experience
social
nila.
media na lang, 'di ba?
Na-spoon feed pa yung mga
Pero
answers.
pero sa akin hindi naman totally talaga na mas intelligent yung older people kasi mas improve ngayon ng mga tao ngayon kasi hindi nila yun magagawa yung mga technology ngayon kung hindi din sila mas intelligent kasi yun yung mga older people yun lang yung mga nakaya nila tapos na-improve lang ng ngayon yung mga bagong generation tapos may improve pa yan in the future.
Yeah, depende sa kung paano
hindi lahat,
gagamitin yung social media.
pero as a student siguro mas kasi 'di ba na-experience natin nung time nung mga elementary pa tayo, 'di ba? High school hindi pa tayo exposed medyo masyado diyan sa sa AI. So yung mostly yung mga gawa natin is unique at napaka-creative pa nung natin yung mga gawa kasi nung unlike ngayon nga may AI, 'di ba? Mostly i-compare natin yung mga answers or
nila
activity, 'di ba? Halos magkaparehas lang kasi nga may guide na tayo sa sa AI like sa ChatGPT. Tapos iniba lang natin or yung iba yung mga words na gumagamit sila ng killbot para praiser,
Para
summarizer,
summarizing.
So yun.
I really can say na mas intelligent yung mga tao before. But I can say na mas productive sila at mas nag-exert sila ng effort. Like sa mga bagay-bagay. Like if may gusto silang matutunan, pinag-aaralan talaga nila. Like pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin, pinaglalaanan nila ng oras. So,
Therefore, I conclude na there's still a positive impact in technology. Right? So, ano pa yung mga positive impact na nakikita nyo as a student?
Marami. Like ChatGPT. 'Di ba?
Yan talaga yun.
nakakatulong talaga.
Yeah, especially ngayon programming tayo or
Kung sa student.
So, instead nga mag-manual tayo mag-coding, so we rely on ChatGPT to input our questions,
Mga
no?
problems.
So that's all.
Yeah, we cannot deny the fact that we use ChatGPT in terms of helping or assisting us in our thesis, in our course. We're not perfect students, right?
Yes,
We use online or I think the online has all the information that you gawin mo lang is kumuha na lang or magtanong sa, for example, Google.
But you still need to exert an effort to understand.
Yes, but not like before before yung mga sinaunang panahon, paano nila kinuha yung mga information ng ganyan. Ngayon is the information is available already. And easy to access because of
Spoon feed
technology.
na lang talaga.
Tapos it saves time, paano?
Yes.
Kasi hindi naman talaga isa lang yung subject natin sobrang rami. Tsaka pag ginawa mo itong task na to sa certain subject is nakaka-save ka ng time. Madali mo siya natatapos and then you are going to the next subject na naman to make another activities like that.
Yes. Ang
Yeah.
hirap talaga mag-aral like yung dati. Ang hirap mag-aral
Yung traditional
kasi,
one.
Yeah.
Lalo na ngayon na nakasanayan na natin yung mas madaling paraan. What if siguro if binalik tayo ng like manual, like pupunta pa tayo ng library para mag manual research,
Yes.
like manghiram ng libro. Siguro feel natin hindi na siguro natin kaya ba?
Yeah. Kasi nagre-rely na tayo sa
So
technology.
that's the question. Can we do you think kaya natin mamuhay in this new generation without technology?
No,
It depends. Yeah.
Kaya naman siguro,
It
pero
depends.
mahihirapan lang tayo sa
Yes.
Adjust.
Yes.
We need to adjust pa.
Kasi we used to have this very advanced technology kasi ngayon So mas efficient siya, mas convenient siya gamitin kumpara nung mga traditional.
But I think it's chaotic na kung iwawala nila yung technology.
Yes.
Kasi lahat ng mga transactions, lahat ng mga online platforms, nagre-rely na tayo sa technology, right? Even sa ating mga pamumuhay. Even pagkukuhanan ng mga finances, we rely on technology, right? So, who can relate?
Yes.
Have you heard sa news yung solar superstorm? Yung
Yes.
Yes.
yung binabalita na mawawala daw
Yung technology, like internet.
internet.
Yeah, the signals,
Internet.
yung mga
Yes, internet is very is a part of our life na.
Yeah, totoo yun.
we can't deny.
All of the transactions are online,
Yeah.
banking information,
Yes.
interactions in different places. Like if you have your family in abroad, you can you can easily communicate
Yes.
with them.
So for me, technology is very important now. Why? Because as you can see, hospitals they're using technology for patients.
Yeah, to cure
Then
patients.
creating infrastructure, they're using technology.
Exactly.
So we can't deny that technology is not
Make
useful
our-
because now generation we rely on technology.
Yeah.
Especially
Technology
during
makes our
nung
lives,
pandemic, grabe di ba hindi tayo nakakalabas. So we rely on online transactions,
Yes.
cashless na mga payments, di ba? So nakakatulong saka yung mga online na mga selling nila yung sa marketplace, di ba? Na napakaraming nagbebenta nun online ng mga ano.
Feel ko mas nag-boom yung technology or yung sa gadget nung pandemic.
Yes.
Kasi napansin nyo, 'di ba tayo, 'di ba? Nung high school tayo, hindi naman lahat tayo mayroong cellphone.
Yes, exactly.
Tapos nung nag-pandemic, parang mandatory, so need talaga natin yung cellphone kasi online sa online class. Kasi napansin ko yung kapatid ko, wala siyang cellphone noon. Tapos nung nag-pandemic, yun, binilan talaga siya kasi need talaga.
Saka online, saka online class.
At
Sa
saka
online
nung
class.
pandemic, umusbong yung mga freelancers.
Yes. Nabibigyan sila ng opportunity.
Especially
Kahit nasa bahay
as
lang.
Filipinos, 'di ba mas malaki yung sahod nila doon sa
Ibang bansa.
ibang bansa like United States. Per hour
Per
nila
hour yung
is
rate. Yeah.
yes, minimum of $3 I think and maximum of depending on how much they offer you. But here in the Philippines, the salary of the average worker is around 350,
350
right?
to 500.
So, some Filipinos opted to do freelancing to support their families because they have this big income.
We believe and we can't deny the fact na we rely on technology. So, ito na lang yung gagawin natin. We do some strategies, right? So, for our viewers that who are watching today, ano yung mga strategies na ma-recommend nyo to prevent or not just to prevent but to reduce the tech addiction?
Marami.
Marami.
Instead nga mag-use ka ng cellphone, so you need to go picnic with your family, friends, love life.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Joy ha.
Gagawa ka ng tsaka pwede ka rin gumawa ng time management mo like these are like sa gabi, morning, mag-scroll ka lang ng 1 hour, tsaka sa gabi, scroll ka lang ng mga 8 to 9.
Screen
Diba?
limitation.
May yan. Gagawa ka ng
Knowledge
mga
screen time.
screen limit mo.
Sa tingin nyo, magagawa ba natin yung primitive life? When we talk about primitive life, yun yung ginagawa nung panahon na wala pang gadgets.
The old ways.
The old-fashioned way.
Mahirap talaga. Para sa akin.
Kasi ngayon din rin, no? Nasanayan na kasi natin na to rely.
Feeling ko kaya ni Ria yun.
Hindi ko yun kaya.
Hindi kasi nung pagbuhay kasi natin, yung pagsilang natin, nandyan na kasi yan eh. Hindi tayo na pinanganak nung nakaraan na nung pagdilat ng ating mga mata, wala pang technology.
Tama.
Kasi kahit 'di ba, alas tayo 2000 na diyan tayo eh nasa 20s. 'Di ba, madami ng yan technology tapos nagka-improve na. So, feel ko hindi.
You know what? During the time na nag-visit ako sa tatay ko, it's bukid. So, if bukid, wala talagang
There's no
signal, wala lahat.
There's
Walang
like,
Yeah.
kuryente.
Yung sinasabi lang
Especially
simple
sa
yung
amin.
Doon na
pamumuhay.
nag-start yung boredom strike talaga sa sarili ko.
But,
Tsaka na-realize ko, I don't know if I can survive without internet na ngayon. Kasi I always think, nung nandun ako, I visit my tatay, I always think of what's happening sa syudad.
Sa
Sa
social
city.
media.
Oo. At saka I always think, ano nang nangyayari doon, walang mga chat, walang mga updates. Kasi, we are student, and also, we are working. So, I always think of my business, ano nang nangyayari sa business ko, wala akong phone, wala akong signal sa phone ko, hindi ko ma-update yung business ko.
Parang wala kang alam sa anong
Oo.
world.
Oo. Parang sa side ng world
inside
ka.
world.
So there is really a world in this technology.
Kasi pag connected ka sa
Different
technology or connected ka sa internet, parang connected ka
All
sa
around
Sa
the world.
lahat.
All around the world. But there are also some people that wanted to have that kind of life, like simple life. Kasi I think they realize na sobrang abusive na kasi natin eh.
Yeah.
Like we need to have this kind of life na simple lang.
Yeah.
We wanted to go back to that time
Kasi
frame, diba?
napaka-peaceful din eh. Nung simple
Yung
lang
peace
yung
of mind mo kasi is na mo
Diba?
na.
Pero kahit naman nasa bukid, we have this radyo, TV, ganun.
Oo.
Pero iba pag may wifi, ganun.
Yeah, totoo yun.
May data,
Guys, have
yung may
you
involved ka sa social media.
heard the term iPad kid?
iPad,
iPad
yes.
Kid Gaff.
Yes. Kids
The iPad
nowadays, diba, they have their own
iPads.
Gadgets.
Yes, gadgets like
Yes.
iPads. Now, parents this time, what they did is they bought an iPad, and every time their kids throw a tantrum out of it, they just give the iPads. It is more easily
Easier.
para mapadaling matahimik yung mga bata.
daw.
Whereas compared before,
Palo
yung mga
talaga
Yes,
naabutin
of
mo.
course.
Exactly.
may fraternity pa kayo ng nanay niyo, di ba?
Yung mga hanger, yung mga sinturon, yung mga tangkay ng mga
Stick na
wawa.
Walis.
Yes, yung mga bata
Mga
dati
walis,
is
oh my
they are
God.
more healthier because nai-expose sila sa
Sun.
mga elements.
And
Yes.
yes,
Yeah, isa din sa
outdoor
naging
activities.
epekto ng technology is especially sa mga bata yung behavior. Iba na talaga yung behavior nila ngayon. Parang yung communication skills nila ay poor, very poor. Kasi hindi na sila nakikipag-interact, hindi na sila nakikipag-socialize sa ibang bata.
Introvert na.
O, kumbaga,
Parang lonely.
papakainin na nga lang, manghingi pa ng cellphone or iPad. Yung parang ganun ba?
Yung mga bata, i-compare mo yung childhood memories natin at saka yung mga childhood memories ng mga bata na was born in 2015 pataas.
Pataas,
Di ba iba yung childhood memories nila?
Actually, I think tayo yung like 2000 to 1999, tayo yung mga last generations na mga babies before na wala pa talagang phone. Like yung Chinese garter outside, tapos like tumbang
Patintero.
preso,
Yeah.
patintero,
Yun na naman,
and all
every
that.
hapon,
Yes,
dampa,
sticker. Yes, yung
Dati
mga ganun
yung
pa.
nasusugatan ka pa pero wala lang.
Wala lang, oo.
oh,
Tapos ngayon, ang uuwi na ng mga
Oo.
bata ngayon,
Oh my gosh!
Tumbang preso.
I need to go to the hospital like that. Oh my God.
May mga tsinelas pa dito.
Dagdag powers daw.
So lahat talaga tayo naka-experience na ng
Mas masaya
ganyan.
yun.
Wala talaga tayong phone noon.
So unlike ngayon, nga instead na mag-play sa labas,
Sa
oh,
loob na.
so ngayon
Sa loob na lang.
sa loob or sa
Parang na-quarantine.
Nagmukmuk na lang sa kwarto.
Inaisolate.
Nakawas ka sa are sa bahay.
Hindi pa nakakuha, naka-move on.
Hindi nakaalis.
Alime, what do you think about your experience of your past? Compare mo yung past mo
Sa ngayon.
sa ngayon.
Sa mga nakikita mo na ano.
Compare mo sa
bata
mga
ngayon.
nephews or may mga batang kapatid ka.
Yung noon, na-try ko yung nahulog sa kahoy. Pero yung
Tapos?
pamangkin ko, kahit ang liit lang, like, ganyanin mo lang, sasabihin, tita, ang sakit! Oo eh. Ako pangawayin ng nanay, like, pagsabihan mo na, like, stop using this, na. Tapos magagalit siya, sasabihin niya na,
Stop the car.
why? Why should I stop? Like, ganyan. Hindi ko
Tapos ano
alam.
sasabihin
You raise
mo?
spoiled children.
Ano sasabihin
Bahala
mo?
ka na.
Nagsa-cellphone rin ba siya?
Yes, of
Ah.
course.
Yung mga bata talaga na yun.
Parang wala, yung mga bata rin ngayon, parang wala na silang respeto sa mga nakakatanda.
Yes.
Iba na talaga yung
Iba na
behavior
mindset nila.
walang disiplina na in short.
Yes.
Disiplina yan.
Actually, di ba may sari-sari store kami sa bahay? Tapos most especially yung mga bata talaga yung mga customer namin. Like, pag binigyan sila ng piso ng mama nila, they will throw tantrums. Like, they will, yung mga paa nila sa ground, like, ginaganon
Sinisipan
talaga.
nila.
Iba na nakahiga nga eh.
Oo, nakahiga. Like, they don't want to have 1 peso only. So, pag tayo noon, oh my God, parang ang 25 centavo, okay na tayo ba yun?
And because of tech addiction, parang yung gift na gusto nila is cellphone na. Right?
Yes.
Technology,
Yes.
Tapos,
gadget.
yung
Okay
ano,
lang
yung
kung
mga-
Android. Kaso iPhone yung hinihingi.
Hindi, kasi nga, mga bata ngayon is nakita nila kung anong, lalo na
Trending.
sa TikTok, di ba? Pag nakikita
Yung
nila,
Social media.
social media, like, yan, gusto ko bilhin yan, gusto ko bilhin yan. So, yun talaga yung gusto nila. Yeah, pag hindi mo binigay, yun.
Kaya nga
Nagagalit
napakalaki
man.
ng role ng parents dito kasi dapat sila yung nagsiset ng limits sa mga bata. Para,
Yes.
kasi kung hindi mo sila binigyan ng gadgets, the
Hindi
first
sila
time, hindi sila
mabibigyan.
masasanay doon eh.
Yes.
Dapat sanay sila sa mga buhay sa labas.
So speaking of parents, in the future, we will become a parents naman, di ba? We can't deny that. Sino dito yung hindi gusto maging
Ako.
parents?
I'm very excited
Hindi
now.
pa ready.
Talaga.
Mag-boundary si
Rich
Alvin.
Tito.
Okay.
I'm
So
very
para
excited,
sa
Tito.
mga
I'm very excited.
parents, para sa mga becoming parents na sa susunod, so what are your ano yung mga mare-recommend nyo as a parent
Ikaw,
para sa
Danny,
ating mga
feeling ko
students?
may marami
or
ka
sa
na
ating,
sa parents,
kahit
So,
sa
as,
mga
for
teenagers.
me soon, magiging parents naman tayo, no? So, for me is I will discipline.
How will you discipline
I will
them?
discipline, hindi ko siya bigyan ng phone at the age of, I think 10.
Yes.
12 pababa, hindi talaga pwedeng mag-phone kasi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because, as I said kanina nga, it is prone to radiation. No? When I browse to the internet, no, when using phone, it must be 6-inch
Away.
Away,
away
from,
from
your,
your
eyes.
eyes. Oh.
Paano mo susukatin yung 6
Yan yung mahirap. Yan yung mahirap sukatin.
pero Danny, what if Danny, if yung need na talaga niya ng cellphone kasi
Research.
Yes.
sa
Sa
for
school
school,
purposes.
yeah.
If it is for educational purposes, so I will give. But
With time
there's a
frame.
limit. There's a limit.
limitation.
With time
Did
limit.
you hear about yung anak ng artista, si Aga Mulak ba yun? Na yung anak niya, binigyan niya lang ng phone at the age of 18. Nakahawak lang talaga siya ng phone at the age of 18.
Depende kasi sa magulang.
Yeah, sobrang ganda niya. Tapos, hindi nakita yung ganda niya sa social media because 18 years old pa lang siya nakahawak ng phone. At sabi niya, I'm just adjusting pa, hindi niya pa alam yung features ng mga social
I think
media.
that's Atasha.
She's
Atasha Mulak.
that one. She's just kanang adjusting and nagdi-discover pa siya a lot of
Explore.
So it's very nice parenting, right?
Yeah.
Pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung old ways ng parenting. Like, yung mga papaluin tayo ng mga hanger, mga ganun ba? Kasi mas nadidisiplina tayo
Totoo.
in that way.
Yes.
Actually, sino ba sa inyo hindi naka-experience ng ganun dito?
Hindi na pala
Ay,
nila.
May scar nga ako dito sa
Sinulod mo
Ako
ako ng
kahit
sako
ano pa.
Actually, that's a
Tingnan
problem.
ako mabaril eh.
Sinulod mo.
Yeah.
Because we have this law
Yun,
that
totoo
protects
yun.
children.
That's
We created a more
Women's Against
sensitive.
Children Law.
Yes, we
Yeah.
created more sensitive to
Law.
kids nowadays. Have you I don't know if you've seen this. Have you seen that teacher
Tulfo.
got angry?
Oh, and then
There's
sinampal,
students.
yung sinampal yung
No,
student.
no, no, no,
Yung
no.
kinurot yung tainga.
No, yung
Pinatulfo.
Ay,
nilalait niya.
nag-live?
Oh, nag-live sa
teacher sa TikTok.
Oo, nilalait.
Oo.
Ay, yung
Sinabi
sumisigaw.
niya
Yes,
ganun.
hindi ko binalan kasi
Ah.
para ganun-ganun.
Yung sumisigaw.
Oo.
Yung mas
Wala
maangas
kayong
pa yun.
mararating sa buhay.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Actually, may point naman yung teacher doon. At saka hindi na
Pero
nila nirerespeto yung teacher.
Pero ang mali lang doon is nag-live siya.
Ah.
Hindi,
Yes.
napaka-unprofessional lang kasi nun because knowing her, she's a teacher.
Public
So,
teacher.
yeah, feeling ko lang, based on my, parang hindi na lang sana siya nag-live para hindi siya mag-criticize kasi ang daming parents na mag-react talaga ng mga negative kasi nga hindi nila sinasabihin yung mga anak nilang ganun because of the law na like protecting women's and
Women's
children.
against children.
Yeah.
Women's against children.
Violence against women
Yeah.
and children.
Yes.
What area is that, Danny?
I forgot what Republic Act is that, but the I think it's the Violence Against Women and Children Act.
Yeah, yeah.
Kidding aside, so nowadays the kids are very sensitive, di ba? So,
Yeah.
konting ano lang is na they consider it as abusive, di ba?
Yes.
Before kasi discipline kasi normalize lang natin,
Yes,
pero ngayon is super heavy na siya kung
Parang
before.
makasalanan na tayong ina pag pinalo
Lalo,
natin yung anak.
Noon nga, namumula-mula pa yung mga
Mga
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, if yung anak nila meron ng mga pasa, so marami ding mga chismis, yung mga kapitbahay, uy, i-report mo yan sa Disney World kasi
Abusive na. ganun.
tinuturuan na yung mga bata.
Napaka-sensitive na.
Oo.
Mapasa
Like,
na kasi.
sabihin mo sa mama mo na huwag kang paluin kasi makukulong siya kasi ganyan. So I was like, yung mga bata ngayon parang mas may alam na kaysa sa mga magulang nila.
Feel ko isa din,
naging sila na rin yung
feel
naging
ko
superior.
isa din sa cause yung tech addiction. Kasi mas imbis na
Nalalaman
nagpa-family bonding tayo is mas tinutugon natin yung oras natin sa sa gadgets, like sa games, sa technology. So yung iba hindi na nila mas nalaan yung time nila sa kanilang parents. So wala na silang quality time. At yun dahilan siguro ng ng sumusuway ka na sa yung magulang. Kasi yun nga,
That's why it connects to mental health. Marami ng mga naaabuso na yung mga katawan nila, especially their emotion. At saka, that's the time na papasok na yung stress, yung depression, yung anxiety. Right? So, kayo, may kakilala ba kayong mga nagkakaroon ng stress dahil sa insecurities nila, kakapanood ng mga TikTok, na ganyan, ang ganda niya, yes.
Nai-insecure.
Tumataas yung standard,
Standards,
especially
yes.
sa mga babae.
Yeah,
Kasi
totoo.
nakikita nila, ang ganda niya, dapat ganito ako, mataas yung ilong ko, makinis ako, matingkad yung buhok ko.
Yeah.
Yan
So, kaya
palagi yung ano nila.
So kaya nga dapat ngayon marami ng mga kababaihan na nagpaparitoke dahil sa nainggit sila, no? Sa,
Actually, hindi naman
oo.
hindi naman bad thing yung pagpaparitoke kasi para yun sa sarili mo and then pera mo yun. Pero the thing is yung society like crab mentality ng mga Filipino is nandyan at nandyan talaga yan, like hindi yan mawawala. Kasi insecurities din naman ng mga Filipino yung ba't siya nagparitoke? Okay naman yan, may pera ba siya? Mga ganun ba?
totoo yun.
mga inggit.
Yes, Joseph.
Ayaw nilang umangat ka kasi gusto nila
Sila
na
lang yung guwapo.
yung dapat siguro gusto
Nilaan
nila
kayo pababa.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, ano yung mga mabibigay niyong tawagan nila dyan ang ikuan, di hapon ni siya advice ni ay. So, ano yung mga mabibigay niyong advice para sa mga nakaka-encounter ng mga depression, mga anxiety na dahil lang sa technology na nakikita nila.
Matulog.
Matulog.
I don't think we can
Screen
give
time.
an advice because first
We
of
are
all we are
bang
not
science students,
we're not
good.
professional psychologists, right?
Kaya,
Yeah.
But all I can say is reduce use your gadget moderately.
Yes.
Yes.
And responsibly.
Yes. Use it in
Be
You make-
responsible
Yeah.
as a person.
you make boundaries like itong time nito is para sa social media lang. Tapos like, it takes 1 hour lang siguro for scrolling.
Actually,
Then
ang laki
later
naman
on,
yung
if-
1 hour.
Sobrang laki na, di ba? So, ililess lang natin. Like, we make boundaries. Like, before matulog, dapat 3 hours before matulog, 2 hours, dapat hindi ka na nagagadget. Di ba? Yan nga yung sabi ng doktor, di ba? Sa online is dapat, para
And-
makatulog ka ng mahimbing, dapat
Yes.
2 to 3 hours, hindi ka na nagagadgets. Ganun.
And you should make boundary for yourself also na dapat tanggap mo yung sarili mo. Ay, dapat hindi na ako mag-out of the line sa sarili ko. Ito ako, tanggap ko na to. Hindi na ako
Maghihingi
dapat hindi na ako dapat humihingi ng more of me na parang ano yung tawag, kino-compare ko na yung sarili ko sa kanya. So make boundary for yourself, accept yourself.
Acceptance is the key.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ganyan
Like, you need
na.
to boost your confidence.
Yes,
So,
that's
in boosting your confidence, so you just need to stop scrolling. Instead,
Yes.
talk to your friends, to your family, go to
Yes.
the gym, di ba? Interact with your someone that you love, talk to them,
Even nature. You can
go to
interact with
nature.
Yeah.
That in that way you can actually boost your confidence para hindi
How
ka
will you
na
talk to
mag-iisip.
your friends or family when they also use their phones to communicate?
That's a very crucial thing kasi that we need to talk about, di ba? So
Yeah.
if you want to talk to them, consult them that if you want to talk each other, you need
That's
to
why this
get your phones
this
away from
advice
your
is for all naman.
uh,
Kaya so if this advice will be applied by all of the individuals that are watching, so I believe na makakapag-communicate tayo each other. Right?
kasi that's nga ngayon, 'di ba, topic natin about mental health. So dapat in sa pag prevent ng ngayon depression, anxiety is simple lang na huwag kang mag-gadgets kasi yan kasi yun prone yung addiction.
Maraming toxic
Oo,
sa
social media na like binabash ka.
Yes.
Is na
That
yun
is very
nakaka-prone
rampant
yun
nowadays.
sa nakaka-push yun ng anxiety mo,
Iba-iba kasi
depression.
tayo kung paano natin
Hinahandle,
yung situation na yun.
Oo.
Yung iba is konting galaw lang or konting huli lang is
Paka-sensitive, no?
yes, nagpapamatay agad.
Yeah,
Meron din namang iba
exactly.
yung parang sinasabayan lang nila yung yung tukso
Emosyon, yeah.
o yung emosyon. Pero hindi natin alam ha. Kasi
How about you,
iba-iba din tayo.
Rhea? May ano ka ba i-add-ons or advice?
Advice. Sa akin kasi, lumaki talaga ako na yung family ko dito talaga sa gadgets. My parents are not fan of gadgets. Even sa mga appliances nga lang. Kaya, more advice lang ako is have time your family lang talaga. Kasi yun yung pinaka talaga core na kailangan yung open kayo sa lahat isa yung nasasabi niyo lahat yun yung masalaobin, at least alam mo yung yung dadala ng mga family mo, yung share niyo lahat, walang tinatago.
Yeah, totoo yan.
No man is an island.
Do you think that do you think that for individuals are more engaged to social life compared to the rich individual? Like these poor individuals don't have access. Sometimes they don't have access to phones. So, I mean, no offense, but some of them cannot afford mobile devices or even internet. Whereas compared to the mayayamans, they can afford internet. They can afford gadgets. So, do you think that these called poor, not sorry to offend someone if we live in that status, but do you think they are more sociable than the
Rich.
mayayamans?
Actually, yes. Kasi mas humble yung mga nasa mababang status yung pamumuhay. Kasi they are more like yung parang sociable sila sa lahat, and then they can they
Adapt.
can adapt, yeah, they can adapt and then adjust kung saan man sila mapunta. Though yung mga like pananamit nila hindi talaga ma-adjust kasi para naman like ano naman ibibili nila kung wala naman talaga silang pera pambili ng mga mayayamang gamit and everything, pero yung ano nila yung attitude nila, yung characteristics nila is very like salute talaga ako sa mga low class level na mga ano.
But I believe it depends on their attitude naman.
Di
Sa
naman
kinalakihan
sometimes.
nila.
Pero
Kasi,
mostly
Kasi meron din naman mga mayayaman na napaka-humble din.
Oo.
Yes. Kaya nga
para
mas
sa iyo,
kaya
para
nga
ikaw,
mas ano sila, mas blessed sila at mas madaming
Blessings
yung,
na-
blessings na dadating kasi reflect din yung attitude nila ba, yung personality nila. Kaya ganun.
have you heard about Diwata? 'Di ba si Diwata comes from a very poor like
Poor.
yeah, and then now that
Suntok pa siya.
ay nasuntok pa siya, yes, exactly. And then now na sikat na siya, like nag-iba na raw yung attitude niya. Sabi ng mga small time vloggers na
Commentators.
pupunta sa kanya, like siya lang yung dinadayo, like Diwata pa siya ako, ay busy ako, puro busy, pero pag ano daw malalaking vlogger, tapos binibigyan pa siya ng
I-entertain.
pera, gift, ini-entertain niya, umiiyak-iyak pa daw, like so ano masasay niyo doon?
for me, hindi,
naman
wala
talaga.
akong comment para
I think,
dyan. Kasi, yung nakikita lang natin is just,
Screens.
I think 30 to 40% of the reality. Kaya, I don't think na we need to make comment for Diwata for that.
Kasi yung makikita lang natin is yung mga ina-upload nila ba, yung on the camera. Pero
Pwedeng
Pero,
kinat nila yon.
Pag off,
We don't
Maybe
judge.
there's a reason behind that kung bakit siya nagagalit.
Dapat
We
hindi
don't
tayo
judge
one-sided
someone
lang.
based on what we saw online.
Pero-
Nakaka-mislead
pero
kasi yan eh. Pag
yeah.
nagre-rely lang tayo sa isang side.
Yes.
pero ang Filipino is Filipino. Hindi talaga
Alam mo na.
maikakaila.
Ano yung nakita?
Yes, yun na talaga. Hindi
So, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. So, any final thoughts or just one sentence na maging maiiwan nyo for our viewers?
Just like I said earlier, that use your gadgets moderately.
Yeah.
How about you guys?
Yeah, I will add. I want to give an advice, and not an advice, but more of like an encouragement, not to everyone, to our listeners, to our viewers, especially sa atin din. We should stay mindful and like prioritize or take care of our mental health.
Yes,
So
that's true.
we should what do you call this? We should stay connected with our relatives, with our loved ones. We should interact with other people, with our family, with our friends, with the nature. So parang ganun ba yung hindi tayo palaging gadget lang, like we should take breaks. Humiwalay din tayo sa gadgets natin.
How about you?
For me, is yun nga, you stay connected with your
Loved
loved ones. Tsaka if gagamit ka ng gadget, may screen time naman yung yung gadgets, di ba?
Screen limit.
Nag-off naman yan if na-reach na yung screen time niya, if meron kayong feature niyan. Kasi super advanced na kasi ng technology and we can never stop that. Kasi we are always improving. Kaya nga wala tayong board exam sa ating mga IT industry eh. Kasi mahirap
broad.
kasi yung gawin kasi napaka-broad. Tsaka every year nag-i-evolve yung technology. And that really help us to make our economy more mas better pa, and even us natutulungan tayo. So yun lang is if gagamit ka naman technology, use it wisely, like sinabi ni Steve. Like for me, gagamit ako ng technology, ginagamit ko kasi is to track my running, yung calories na na-burn, di ba natutulungan tayo na-improve pa yung lifestyle natin eh. Yung nabuburn na calories, like ilang steps yung na-walk ko today, how many kilometers yung na-run ko. Like you need to engage your gadget, at the same time you engage to the environment, or you engage your best lifestyle that you can have.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
wow.
Very well
How about,
said. Yes.
Okay,
Aliming.
how about you guys?
Huwag mo i-base yung sarili mo sa nakikita mo sa
Yes.
social media. Just be yourself and be happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
it.
Yung
how you can
attitude.
achieve.
Yes, of
That's
course.
how you can
How
achieve
about
total
Rhea?
happiness.
Just like what you said, just be wise in using technology.
Yes.
Don't
Totoo.
let anyone affect you as who you are.
Yes.
So, So guys, thank you very much for your advices, and I believe yung mga viewers natin, marami silang mga nakukuhang valuable na mga pwede nilang i-apply in their daily lives in using that technology. And thank you also sa ating mga viewers, and that's all for today's podcast. See you. Goodbye.
Bye!